So we can say here similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal or their corresponding sides are proportional. Means if you have a triangle here ABC PQR, then you will say corresponding angles. Corresponding angle means A should be equal to P. Angle A equals to P. Angle B equals to Q corresponding. B equals to Q. C equals to R. Angle C equals to R. This is the first criteria. Corresponding sides are proportional, that is AB by PQ, AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to BC by QR. Okay, these two we have to remember. Okay, for every problem. Now look at here. Find out which of the following pair of triangles are similar. So first is given like this: ABC PQR. Suppose this is 40 degree, this is 40 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 80 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 80 degree. So we can say corresponding angles are equal. A equals to P. So here angle A equals to P. Angle B equals to Q. Angle C equals to R. Therefore ABC triangle. ABC triangle similar symbol is like this: PQR triangle. Okay, let's take another pair. ABC PQR. This is suppose 35 degree. This is 35 degree. This is 60 degree or 70 degree. This is 70 degree. This is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. What is your opinion? Corresponding should be equal. A is equal to P angle. A is equal to P angle. B is not equal to Q. It's not that any angle should be equal. Here is 35, here is 35, but you cannot say they are corresponding. Corresponding is B ka corresponding is Q. So B should be equal to Q. Therefore ABC triangle not similar to PQR triangle. So these two are not similar. Okay, let's say then another one. Third one. XYZ element, out of which this is 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 2.5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 1, this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, what about this corresponding side? XY by LN. So corresponding side ratio you have to take. What is XY by LN? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. What is YZ by MN? This is 2.5. 5 means 5.0. 5 means 5.0. You can remove decimal. 25 by 50. If you cancel, also 1 by 2. Then XZ by LN. 3 by 6. That is also 1 by 2. If the ratio is same, then you can say XYZ triangle similar to LMN triangle. Okay, then let us see another one. ABC triangle, DEF triangle. This is 1.5, this is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 2.5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So you have to check the corresponding sides. Corresponding side means AB by DE. 1.5 by 3. 3 means 3.0. 15 by 30, that is 1 by 2. BC by EF, that is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. But SC by DF, 2.5 by 6.0. 25 by 60. 5 5 ja 5 12, 5 by 12. You find these two are equal, but this is not equal. So ABC triangle not similar to DEF triangle. So this is the basic idea about similar triangles. Today we will start studying the theorems based on these similar triangles. That is called basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This is also called Thales theorem. Thales theorem. Okay, so what are the steps here? First you see the statement. In any triangle, the line drawn parallel to its one side divides other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, after statement you have to draw the figure. So figure, let me draw here. In the triangle ABC, a line drawn parallel to one side. Suppose this is a line drawn XY parallel to BC. So after figure will be given, what is given? XY parallel BC. Given के बाद to prove divides line drawn parallel to its one side divides other two side means AB and AC. Now this is parallel to BC now. Other two sides means AB and AC in the same ratio. Same ratio means AX by XB, AY by YC. AX by XB should be equal to AY by YC. Steps you see, statement, figure given to prove, then comes construction. So construction, look, draw XD perpendicular. Draw XD perpendicular AC. Second, YE perpendicular AB. Third, join XC BY. Join XC BY. End. Okay, now proof. Proof means little new thing, have patience. So I'll draw here area of a XY triangle. XY triangle divided by, look at here, AXY triangle divided by BXC triangle. Okay, area of BXC triangle. How to find? Okay, if I draw the triangle, it will be easy for you to understand. Look at here, AXY triangle. इसमें परपेंडिकुलर कौन है? This one. This is perpendicular. Then I have taken BXC triangle. Look, BXC triangle. This is what you have to understand. BXC triangle. This is B, this is X, this is triangle Y. BXC triangle. Here the perpendicular is inside. This is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle में perpendicular is outside. What is that? YE. Got the point? Try to see again. This triangle का perpendicular is AXY becomes a this by this equals to, look at here this triangle, so point should be here, that is BXY triangle. I have taken BXC, BXY triangle, look at here BXY, ये वाला triangle, ये triangle. अच्छा, for the time being I want to make it clear, I have drawn here. इसका एरिया होगा हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. हाफ बेस मीन्स AX इंटू हाइट. हाइट इज YE divided by half base. Look at base is this one BX into, इसका हाइट इज आउटसाइड, सेम थिंग Y, but it is outside because of two-sided triangle में height remains outside. So that is Y YE. Y cancelled, half cancelled. So what did you get? Therefore area of AXY triangle by area of BXY triangle equals to AX by BX. This is equation number 1. Okay, अब ये वाला हाइट देखो, ये वाला हाइट इज ऑन व्हाट? AYX triangle. Area of AXY triangle divided by, इधर देखो ये वाला triangle, कोई बात CXY triangle, C area CXY triangle. So this can be clear if I draw here. Look, this is your AXY, perpendicular is XD, CXY triangle. Look, CXY triangle. YC YD, you can check here YD. Take here YD. The YD is how much? So you will write half base is AY into XD. This is half, इसका बेस कौन है? इसका बेस इज CX, इसका बेस इज AY, इसका होगा, because the height is from here, not from here, height is from here, so this is CY. See it nicely. This is CY. CY is base, this is height. So CY into XD. CY into XD. So half cancelled, XD cancelled. So what did you get? Then you got area of AXY triangle, area of CXY XY triangle, that is AY by CY. Equation number 2. Okay. Now, class 9 we have studied. Class 9 we have studied four triangles with same base. Same base is XY and two parallel sides. Two parallel sides